Remember those pudding cakes from the 80s? The ones where you would poke holes in the cake so the pudding gets into every nook and cranny? Yeah, let's do that, but with a remix. We're gonna make it with just 5 ingredients, and it's gonna be accidentally vegan. Accidentally vegan? What's that, you say? I'll have more on that in just a sec, but first, cake. I've got a boxed cake mix, and we're breaking the rules and ditching the eggs and butter listed as add-ins. Instead, we're using 12 ounces of seltzer water. The fizz makes the batter light and fluffy, but we want this to be rich too. So we're going in with 2 tablespoons of a canned frosting. Pour into a nonstick pan, and for this part you can actually do what the box says, about 30 minutes in the oven. Now this cake deserves a creamy topping, and that's where instant pudding comes in. Just read the ingredients on most pudding boxes and you'll see there's no cream, no milk. It's mostly cornstarch and sugar. And some of the most recognizable brands offer instructions for plant milks these days. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. 2 boxes of instant chocolate pudding and a little over 2 cups of almond milk. And then back to that canned frosting, a 1/4 cup. I'm gonna let the pudding chill in the fridge while the cake finishes baking so I can circle back around to that accidentally vegan thing. So the cake mix, the pudding, and the frosting, none of them contain animal ingredients. And they're not special vegan brands. They're actually popular ones that you probably already buy. Take this frosting for example. There's nothing on the label to indicate it's vegan, but it's basically just oil and sugar. No dairy, no eggs. It's what we call accidentally vegan. These kinds of products are gems because they're another V, versatile. We can easily keep them vegan if we choose. Ooh, kinda like this cake, which smells amazing right now, and I gotta get it out of the oven. Once the cake cools, channel your inner 80s mom and make this a poke cake. The handle of a wooden spoon makes perfect pokes. Top with pudding, and this 5-ingredient delight is ready. Like the neon shirts and big hair of the 80s, you must take this retro cake over the top. So you've got plenty of frosting left over, and there are 2 things you can do with it. One, you can just fill a piping bag and then make a nice border onto your cake. That'll be great. But what I love to do is take a big old dollop of this stuff, pop it in the microwave for about 10 seconds to loosen it up, and then as you're serving each slice, drizzle that melted frosting over the top. Hey, I said this cake was delicious, not nutritious. 80s pudding cake remixed into, well, pudding cake, but accidentally vegan.